Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So I hope you are all very good. If you are new to this channel and have not subscribed it, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Well, as you know, TCS Ninja interview is still going on. The time period for interview was 1st October to 30 October. So they are in progress, but many students already done their interview experience. I have also done my interview. So today I am going to share my interview experience with you. सो फ्रेंड्स, आजच्या या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण टी सी एस नेटच्या इंटरव्ह्यू जो एक्सपिरियन्स आहे त्याचे डिस्कशन करणार आहेत की काय काय क्वेश्चन्स विचारले, काय काय सिनेरिओ बेस्ड क्वेश्चन्स होते, काय काय डिफिकल्टीज येऊ शकतात, हे सर्व आज आपण या व्हिडिओमध्ये बघणार आहोत. तर या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण पूर्ण स्टार्टिंगपासून माहिती बघणार आहोत की रिटर्न एक्सपिरियन्स काय होता, इंटरव्ह्यू एक्सपिरियन्स काय होता, त्याचे डेट्स वगैरे सर्व बघणार आहोत. तर अजूनपर्यंत तुम्ही चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब केलेलं नसेल तर सबस्क्राईब करा, बेल आयकन प्रेस करा. चला तर मग आता आपण व्हिडिओला सुरुवात करूया. So friends, this off-campus drive is for 2022 batch, and this written exam was held on 12 September 2021. So friends, I have cleared my written examination and I got a mail that is congratulations, you are passed your written examination on 29th September. So I got a congratulate mail, and in my TCS portal there is a candidate badge also. So I got mail, and after 10 to 15 days, that means I got mail on a 13 October, that interview will be scheduled on 14 October. So my interview was on a 14 October at 11:30 a.m. That means my exam date was 12 September, interview date was 14 October, and my branch is a computer engineering. तर माझी मागच्या महिन्यात म्हणजे 12 सप्टेंबरला रिटर्न एक्झाम झाली, त्यानंतर या महिन्यात 14 ऑक्टोबरला इंटरव्ह्यू, आणि तो जो एक्सपिरियन्स आहे तो मी आता शेअर करत आहे. सो आय हॅड माय TR प्लस MR प्लस HR इंटरव्ह्यू ऑन 14 October 2021 at 11:30 a.m. but they admitted me at 12 p.m. So friends, there are three panelists, that is TR plus MR plus HR. Some candidates have their two rounds, that is in first round they have only TR plus MR, and in the second round the HR was interviewed. But in my case, TR, MR and HR was held in a one round, so it went for 15 to 20 minutes. My scheduled time was 11:30 a.m. but actually I don't remember what exam time he was admitted me, but I think it was at 12 p.m. and my interview went for 15 to 20 minutes. First of all, HR welcomed me, and शी हँडेड ओवर टू TR. मीन्स फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जेव्हा त्यांनी मला ॲडमिट केलं त्यानंतर जी HR होते त्यांनी मला वेलकम वगैरे केलं. मीन्स जे सेटिंग्स वगैरे असतात ते क्लिअर आहे की नाही ते बघितलं. त्यानंतर त्यांनी सर्वात आधी आपले जे गव्हर्मेंट ID असतं त्याच्यासोबत आपला जो स्क्रीनशॉट असतो तो घेतला त्यांनी. मीन्स यू शूड टेक युअर गव्हर्मेंट ID विथ यू because it is necessary. So after this screenshot they pass me to TR, and after that TR asked me, tell me about yourself. So I introduced myself. In my introduction I was explain them what is my name, what is my family background, what is my hobbies, etc. So you can go introduction as you want, but here I don't mention my project in my introduction and interest in my introduction. So they ask me in a next question, that is what is your interest, in which field you are interested. So then I have answered now, that is I have keen interest in C and DBMS. So here please note that, so if you are good in a anywhere, if I for example I am good in a C and DBMS, so I mentioned that there is I have keen interest in C and DBMS. So further interview was only on a C and DBMS. So this is a plus point here, that is if you are saying you are good in a C, you are good in a Python, then it will be only on a mention point. So friends, the after that questions he asked me which language used in DBMS. So I answered that which language used in DBMS. So after that he used what is normalization and types of forms. So I have answered that DBMS I have keen interest. So all questions are from DBMS. तर फ्रेंड्स, मी DBMS पुढचे जे स्पेशलायझेशन होतं ते सर्व जे बेसिक्स होतं ते माहीत असल्याकारणाने मी फक्त DBMS सांगितले आणि त्यानंतर जे सर्व क्वेश्चन्स होते ते सर्व DBMSवर होते. नॉर्मलायझेशन विचारले, त्यानंतर त्याचे जे टाईप्स होते ते एक्सप्लेन करायला सांगितले. अँड आफ्टर दिस the question was what is primary key and a foreign key. So I answered that what is primary key and foreign key, but friends, I'm not much aware about foreign key, so I have answered that sorry sir, I don't know about foreign key. So after that he asked me that you are good in a C. So after from this question the all questions are from a language C. So he asked me about what pointers, where they use, and what is the size of the pointers, etc. So friends, all questions were basic question. I must tell you one thing, that whatever you mention in your resume, so prepare for that, because all questions were from my resume. So friends, after that they use asked me to questions from my project. I mentioned my two projects that were mini projects in my first year. So he asked me to use working and components, so I explained them what is used, what is working, what components were used, and it was a project on embedded programming using RD. So basically my project was depend on the electrical components, and it was anticipate, so my next questions were on electrical subject, that is what is binary form, what is decimal, what is the base of hexadecimal form, etc. And he asked me how do you convert one form from another form. So he asked me what is the binary form of 2, what is binary form of 9, etc. So I answered all them. In this way my TR round was completed. Then he passed me to Yamar. So Yamar asked me how are you. Then I have also answered that I am fine, and how are you sir. So after that he asked me, tell me your strength and weaknesses. So I told them my weaknesses and strength. After that this was asked, that is apart from academics where are you take part. And the last question, where do you see yourself in 5 years. So basically 3 to 4 questions asked by Yamar, and he was fully satisfied by my answer. He said that your all answers are impressive, and he passed me to my HR. So HR asked me why TCS and how do you know about it. So I am well prepared for that, so I answered her like that why TCS, and how do you know that. I answered that I came to know from my college faculty, from career website, etc. After that she asked me about relocating night shifts, that means I am comfortable or not. So I answered that I am comfortable in any shifts, and I am comfortable in also relocating. So friends, keep it up in mind that whenever HR asks you, that is what is opinion about your relocating, without any hesitation say to her yes, because interview panelist doesn't know about night shifts or a relocation, so simply you have to say yes. After that she asked me about why you want to career in a TCS. So I answered them, and in according to my answer she asked me questions. So in this way my HR round was completed, and she at the last she told me that we will let you know as soon as possible. So in this way my all three rounds, that is TR plus MR plus HR, was completed on 14 October 2021. But friends, I have to tell you one thing, that in my case there is no coding questions, no CS core questions. All questions were basic questions and only on from my resume. So whatever you mention in your resume, be prepared for that. And if you are prepared for your interview, so be please prepare with your basic concept, that is OOPS concept, DBMS concept, SQL, the basic concept which you should know. So friends, in this way I have prepared my interview, and I have completed my interview on the 14th October. I hope you will enjoy this video, you will get information about interview. So please, if you like this video, if you are new to this channel, so please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, and please share among your friends. Thank you.